Unlocking the mystery, navigating terrains in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might come across in various contexts: navigating terrains. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone looking to polish your English skills, understanding phrases like this can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Navigating terrains is a metaphorical expression that combines two key words, navigating and terrains. To navigate traditionally means to plan and direct the course of a journey, especially by using instruments or maps. Terrains, on the other hand, refer to the physical features of a piece of land. These can vary widely, from mountains and valleys to urban or digital landscapes. When put together, navigating terrains metaphorically describes the act of making one's way through complex or challenging situations. It suggests a journey that requires skill, knowledge, and adaptability to overcome obstacles and reach a desired outcome. The beauty of the phrase, navigating terrains, lies in its versatility. Here are a few contexts where it might be used. Personal development. Discussing the journey of personal growth, facing life's challenges, and overcoming obstacles. Business and career. In professional settings, it might refer to navigating the complexities of the workplace, industry trends, or career progression. Technology and innovation. Here, it could denote exploring new digital landscapes, such as the internet, social media, or emerging technological fields. Education and learning. Referring to the process of acquiring knowledge, facing academic challenges, and exploring new areas of study. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the essence of the phrase and how it applies to various aspects of life and society. To further clarify, let's look at some examples of how navigating terrains can be used in sentences. 1. In personal growth, he found himself navigating the complex terrains of self-discovery and improvement. 2. In business, the startup is navigating the challenging terrains of the tech industry, seeking to innovate and thrive. 3. In digital spaces, with the advent of new social media platforms, users are constantly navigating new digital terrains. 4. In education, students today are navigating the diverse terrains of online and offline learning environments. We hope this exploration into the phrase, navigating terrains, has illuminated its meaning and applications for you. English is a rich and vibrant language, full of metaphors and expressions that capture the complexities of life and human experience. By understanding and using such phrases, you can enhance your linguistic skills and express yourself more vividly. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep navigating the fascinating terrains of language learning.